Want to share photos and videos with just one link? Here's how. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click on the Google Apps icon. From there, select Google Drive. After Google Drive opens, go to the top left corner and click New. Then click New Folder and create a folder for the photos or videos you want to share. Open the folder you just created. Now click New again and select File Upload. Choose the photos or videos from your device and click Open. Your files will start uploading to Google Drive. Once the upload is finished, you can create a shareable link. If you want to share one file, right-click the file and click Share. If you want to share multiple files, right-click the folder instead and click Share. In the sharing settings, go to General Access and change it to Anyone with the link. After that, click Copy Link. Now you can send that link to anyone, and they will be able to view or download your photos and videos. That's it. Follow and like for more.